Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the HDMI 1 name on your XIAOMI Smart L1 projector. To do it, go to the settings with the settings button on your remote, then go to all settings and go to inputs, external input, HDMI 1. Now you can enable or disable showing this input and you can change the name of it. Let's set it to, for example, let's say DVD. And you can go back, you can see the name is now set to DVD. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.